Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the auto turn on an ariens snowblower. This morning I had a little bit of trouble with the auto turn. It kept trying to force me in one direction, so I grabbed a board that's a 1/4 inch board. What we're going to do is adjust the shoes first to level it out. For this, you're going to use a 15 mil socket. And loosen this bolt. And loosen this bolt. Once it's loosened, push this down and tighten it up. Now we're going to repeat the process on the other side. As you see, this one, there's a gap. We want to eliminate that gap. As you see, it is now resting on the ground. I'm going to tighten this back up. Now, some of you may have noticed this is getting quite thin. Once it wears down, we can also flip these over to get better wear. Now, another thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that the tire pressure is the same on both sides. You don't need anything fancy for it, just a bike pump, preferably one with a pressure gauge on it. If you don't have a pressure gauge on your pump, you're going to want to get a separate pressure gauge. Now, what I'm looking for here is the inflation amount, and it shows 14 bar or 20 psi. And right now, it's sitting at about 9 psi. So we're going to fill it right up to the max. And put the cap back on. Do the same thing on the other side. And this one's near 0, is what it says. I don't know how accurate that is. Well, nope, it definitely needs a lot. And now we're sitting at 20 psi. And we should be good to go. If you like this video, please think about liking, subscribing, or commenting. Have a great day.